What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Now, do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. Now, do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Bitcoin has continued to rip. Bitcoin touched 57,500 today. It's been ripping, it's been running. The overall market cap for the entire cryptocurrency is well above $2 trillion. We have been making new heights in so many coins, and we are ripping and running, and we seem to be ahead of the schedule in Bitcoin. We know we are just about 2 months away from the Bitcoin halving, and we are already at 57,500. We seem to be ahead of the curve. Folks are questioning what's going on. Are we going to have a correction? Are we going to have a dip? Bitcoin is too high. Bitcoin is pumping too fast. There's a lot of confusion going on in the cryptocurrency market, but we just going to take it. We're going to run with it because we've been studying the charts. We've been studying the 4-year cycles, and this is what we are. This is what we've come to. We know that we are up right now. We are a little bit ahead of the curve from what is traditionally have been following over the past cycles throughout the years, but we are in uncharted territories with all of these billions of dollars coming in from these large institutions. Cryptocurrency and Bitcoin have yet ever to see an influx of cash that have been running into cryptocurrency market. So like I say, we're in uncharted territories. The charts have never seen money flow in like this, so everybody is scrambling, trying to make sense of what the heck is going on. Why is Bitcoin running so hard this early? Why are altcoins ripping and running? Pepe did 60% in one day. Why are these coins running like this so early? And we are not even in alt season. We are still in the accumulation stage. And normally in the accumulation stage, Bitcoin is nowhere near as high as it is right now. But like I say, we're in uncharted territories. We are in new grounds. We'll take it. We're going to embrace it, and we will lock in those gains. We love opening up our accounts, seeing our cryptocurrency coins, and seeing our accounts being in the green. The fear and greed index is running up. You got to be careful of that. The fear and greed index now is at 80. A few, maybe about a month ago, we were monitoring the fear and greed index, and it was like 50 and 55. That's when I was telling everybody, you better start buying right now when the fear and greed index is low, because soon it's going to be 75, it's going to be 78, and lo and behold, we are at 80 as of today. So you always got to be careful when the fear and greed index gets so high. Typically, when it get high like that, 80, 85, you will see a correction where you will see a pullback. But like I say, we're in uncharted territories. A lot of folks don't really know exactly what to expect. Yeah, we've been in this market before. We've been in other cycles, and we're expecting it to go this way. We're expecting it to go that way, but things are different in 2024, 2025. This will be a cycle that will go down in the cryptocurrency Bitcoin records. So we're going to take it. We're going to embrace it. Today, let's get into the coin of the day, SWFTCOIN. SWFTCOIN is one of our favorite coins. We've been in SWFTCOIN for a while. We've been showing great patience with SWFTCOIN. SWFTCOIN been cranking up just a little bit, but as you can see today, SWFTCOIN is big down. SWFTCOIN is down 10% on the day. Now, SWFTCOIN has a very small market cap. The market cap for SWFTCOIN is only $11 million. So it have a lot of room to grow, have a lot of room to run, and it have a lot of room to make exponential gains for you. Currently, SWFTCOIN is priced at 0.0029, number 987 on the cryptocurrency market cap. So it's down low. It got a lot of room for you to run. The all-time high for this coin is 7 cents. Now, if it get back to the all-time high, you're talking about a 35x. Now, one thing I've been noticing lately, the past couple of weeks, that there have been several coins that have been eclipsing its all-time high. Even coins like ArcBlock. We saw ArcBlock last week eclipse its all-time high from 2018, and SWFTCOIN is a coin that's been around since 2018. So will SWFTCOIN eclipse its all-time high sometime soon? There have been several coins that have been doing it that folks had no idea and didn't think that it would get back to its all-time high from 2018. But like I mentioned to you earlier, this cycle is like none other. Things have been happening and occurring that we didn't expect, didn't anticipate. But like I say, we're going to embrace it, especially when it's spitting out green candles and especially when it's making our portfolio make exponential gains. That's what we are here for. But SWFTCOIN is a great coin. Got real case utility. Like I say, this bull market here will be a utility run. A lot of the coins have been developing throughout the past years, and now they are being utilized in real world use case. You could go to your Apple phone right now and you could download the SWFTCOIN app. SWFTCOIN have an app because it is a one-stop cross-chain mechanism. Now what that means, this coin, you can go to the app and you could trade, invest, and you can transact different cryptocurrencies through the SWFTCOIN app. Now the app is real fast, lightning speed, and it's very low as far as the exchange rate. So, you know, some coins you can't find, you can't convert. You can go to SWFTCOIN, download the app, put that coin in, say you want to convert it into Bitcoin, you want to convert it into Pepe. SWFTCOIN will allow you to do that. So this coin has great use case. A lot of people will be downloading this app. A lot of people will be using SWFTCOIN, and this coin is so low. The market cap is only $11 million. So can SWFTCOIN hit a 100x? That seems to be what folks are looking for during this time. And if you get in early right now, like we're so early before the Bitcoin halving, you can still find coins that can net you a 100x, especially when the market cap is real low, like a coin like SWFTCOIN. That's WSFTCOIN. Y'all better do your research. Put this coin on your radar. If SWFTCOIN do a 100x, we are talking about 20 cents from where it is now, or 30 cents from where it is now. The market cap is real low, $11 million. So all it would have to do is do a $1.1 billion market cap. And if you look at coins like Bonk is almost near a $1 billion market cap. And a few months ago, it did eclipse the $1 billion market cap. So hitting the $1 billion market cap is not going to be hard, especially when we get about 12 months down the line, 10 months down the line. We're talking about the end of 2024, early 2025. When coins start going parabolic, you will be kicking yourself if you do not and did not get in coins like SWFTCOIN while the market cap was so low at $11 million. And like I said, currently this coin is down. It's beat down 10%. And that's what I tell everybody over there in the Patreon. We like to buy coins when they are in the red. When they're beat down, we buy low. And if we want to sell it, we sell high. But a coin like this is the kind of coin that you want to buy. You want to get in low. And you want to put this in your back pocket. And you want to set it and forget it. You want to wait until it hit the top of the cryptocurrency market. Once we think, once it's time to start taking profits, once we think Bitcoin has hit near its top, that's when we over there in the Patreon, that's when we will be starting to take profits. That's why I tell y'all, come on over there, join us in the Patreon. Well, I give you buy signals, I give you sell signals. I'm going to hold your hand and guide you through this entire process of the bull market. We will be dominating the bull market. There will be several of us over there in the Patreon that will become cryptocurrency millionaires. And like I told everybody over there, the first person in that Patreon that become a cryptocurrency millionaire is obligated to buy everybody a drink over there in the Patreon. That's how we doing it over there. But like I said, I just come to y'all every evening just to continue to give y'all that good motivation. Come to y'all to give y'all that good encouragement as we navigate and dare to dominate in this cryptocurrency market. Come on over there and join us in the Patreon. We'd love to see you. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy Stock Holiday, and I'm out.